Microsoft is actively developing and integrating AI tools like GPT-3 into its products. These tools can be used for natural language processing, language translation, and other language-based tasks. This will allow Microsoft's customers to access cutting-edge AI technology, and will help to improve the functionality and efficiency of Microsoft's products. However, I do not have any specific information about when and how Microsoft plans to implement these tools in its products. It is likely that Microsoft will integrate AI tools like GPT-3 into its products in the near future. This would allow Microsoft to offer its customers advanced capabilities in natural language processing, language translation, and other language-based tasks. This could greatly enhance the functionality and user experience of Microsoft's products and services. However, I am not aware of any specific plans or timelines for when or how Microsoft will implement these tools into its products. It is expected that the integration of AI tools like GPT-3 into Microsoft's products will greatly enhance their functionality and improve the user experience. Some potential uses of GPT-3 within Microsoft's products could include natural language processing, NLP, for improved text-based input and search capabilities, language translation for improved communication and collaboration within multilingual teams, automated content creation and summarization for improved productivity and efficiency, personalized recommendations and automated decision-making. It's worth to mention that the integration of GPT-3 could also lead to new use cases and features that have yet to be imagined. However, it's important to note that the integration of these AI tools will also raise concerns about data privacy, accuracy, and bias. Microsoft will have to take these factors into account when incorporating these tools into their products. Here are a few suggestions for how Microsoft could integrate AI tools like GPT-3 into its products. NLP-powered search. GPT-3's natural language processing capabilities could be used to improve the text-based search functionality within Microsoft's products. This would allow users to search for content using natural language phrases and queries, rather than just keywords. Language translation. GPT-3 could be used to improve the language translation capabilities of Microsoft's products, such as Office and Teams, making it easier for users to communicate and collaborate with colleagues who speak different languages. Automated content creation. GPT-3 could be used to generate automated content, such as summaries and reports, which would save users time and improve productivity. Personalization. GPT-3 could be used to provide personalized recommendations, such as suggested documents or contacts, which would improve the overall user experience. Automated decision-making. GPT-3 could be used to automate decision-making processes within Microsoft's products, such as flagging important emails or prioritizing tasks. It's also important for Microsoft to consider the ethical implications of using GPT-3, such as data privacy, accuracy, and bias. Microsoft should ensure that the integration of GPT-3 into its products is done in a responsible and transparent manner, and that users are fully aware of how their data is being used. I am not aware of any specific release date or announcement regarding the integration of AI tools like GPT-3 into Microsoft's products. However, Microsoft has stated that they are actively developing and integrating AI technology into their products and services. It's expected that Microsoft will announce the integration of GPT-3 or similar AI tools into its products as soon as they are ready for release. It's also worth to mention that the development and integration of AI technology can be a complex and time-consuming process, so there may not be a specific release date that has been announced yet.